Yes, I am back and look at the candles and this is a daily chart. See, I went out for lunch around 2 o'clock and exactly at that point there was a reversal here. I could see the trend reversal here in this candle, and immediately from this, from 3 it came to 64 and it consolidated and went to 0. This is one important trend reversal candle because there was one reloading candle here of order 34. Next, from 0 it went to 34, and from 14, 0 it went to 14, and from 14 it went to 382. This is the cart, and the cart for the sellers was only 10. This is where I took the position somewhere in this area, and look where the market is gone. There is no stopping the market. Still the market is moving. This is the live session. Still the market is moving, and look at it has crossed yesterday's multiple day highs. It has crossed even this 20 from 29th, 30th, and September 2nd. All things are broken. Look at the orders, guys. This is the speciality of order flow. Look at the orders here. These are all stacked by orders. Can you see one? You can see only one sell order here. Except for that, these are all stacked by orders. This is smart money. I will tell you how it is called smart money. And the market is very bullish, and it is not in and it is not any mood to go down. The market will again bounce back and hit probably this. It will cross this either today or tomorrow, or probably it might open gap up tomorrow. From here, you see this is the daily candle. You see the numbers from the morning. I was telling you the numbers are not enough. The numbers are not enough. The market is going flat. The market is going flat. See, right from the beginning, right from the beginning of the day, you can go back to my previous stream and watch. And right from the beginning of the day, you can see that. See, this is the day starting. This is the day starting, and you can see the first two candles only had 192, 182 and 500 numbers. After that, you can see all numbers below 300. This is 300, one big number. This was a trap where the sellers were, buyers were trapped. And now you can see how the market went up. The market went sideways till around 230, and from there you can see the chart 53, 54, 63, 5, 17, 5, 10. This is the chart we were getting from morning, and all of a sudden here when there was a dip, there was one big number of 669, 668 on the selling side, and the delta candle was very big. Delta candle here was very big, and immediately the trend did not follow, and this candle was not broken. So we were suspicious of a trend reversal here, and we were waiting. My students were waiting, and of course I was out, and I took a position somewhere in this candle. This is a proof of how you can trade in order flow. This is 12, 3, 64, 28, 0. These 0 zones and 0 cards are very important because that indicates some trend reversal. Here also the card ratio is 0, and here also the card ratio is 0. So there is something happening which could indicate a strong reversal on the upside. So we took a position somewhere in this candle, and as soon as it broke this blue line, which I had marked several days before, it broke off like anything, and it gave a 250 point or 300 point move. See, again it broke this candle, and it is again going to break that candle now. Look at the movement. Look at how the candles have gone. This is a 1 minute chart. I'll put 5 minutes. As soon as the line was broken, you can see how it is gone. And even now the market is not in a mood to stop. It is still going, and it is not in a mood to stop. We will see where it might stop, because that point is also very important of where it will stop. We will change the chart to 60-minute chart and we will see. Now there is still more upside left till here. There is still more upside either today or tomorrow. There is still more upside left here, and from here, if it crosses this one, this point, this point is the 52,300 is where it will stop immediately. And after 52,300, tomorrow you might see a downside or small dip or profit booking in the starting 15 minutes. And after that, the market trend is essentially and decisively strong on the upside. So you have to watch where it will go. 52,300 is what I have told. 52,300. After that mark, I will give you another target. Then now I have put this line here. The immediate support is here. 52,000. If it crosses 52,000 is the round figure, and if it crosses that, decisively there will be a very strong up move. Now you can see the options chart which I opened. This is the 51,600 option. I had taken a position somewhere here around 100 rupees or 105 rupees, and it went up to 180 rupees. I had taken 51,400 as well as 51,600. The market in no mode to stop. However, we have booked profit in both sets in the previous candle, not this candle. Now we are not going to take any position because it is almost close to market close. However, the market is going to close at the day's high. You can see the market will be closing at the day's high. Or there might be small little bit of profit booking. This is a 60-minute candle where it is giving a little bit of profit booking here. However, I expect one more candle to go and break this 51,900 here. I'm expecting the market to go in that direction. So always beware and trade with order flow. Trading with order flow is an excellent thing which you can follow, and simply jumping into a trade is not advisable. See, it is very clear. You take a position somewhere here looking at the numbers. Okay, you don't trust the number 300. I was telling you it should be above this line. The closing should be above this line. Since it closed here, you can very well take a position either here or somewhere here. So when it closed and it gave you a 200-point move, this kind of trades, 2 or 3 trades per week is enough. So you will get 3 trades like this, and the thing is you have to wait. It is not like option sellers. Option sellers are thrown out of the. There was enough short covering also. There will be short covering also in this when the market crosses this line. Till then, the call writers will be very active, and after that, they will be exiting their positions, and that is why the market will have a steep rise and it will go in a very fast pace. Just like a stone falling down, this will move up like a rocket. And that is the secret of order flow. And if you want to learn more about order flow, watch my stream on a daily basis, and you will learn much. And this is live streaming. You can see this is the candle now. This is the candle and this is the point of action. You can see the absorption happening here. You can see, watch the numbers and see the changes. There is some reloading happening. This is one reloading here. So I am expecting the market to go up with the last candle. This is also one reloading. You will get to know what is reloading and other things when you join the course. The market is in, as I told you, the market is not in a mood to give up. In the last month, there was a little bit of dip, and now the market is ready to bounce back, and 53,000 will soon be crossed. Either today, either this week or next week, 53,000 will be crossed. Not a very big deal for the market. Immediate crossing will be 52,000 and then 52,300. So we will watch on those numbers, and after that only we will take a call. Right now it is end of trade today, and the trading was awesome since we waited for a long time. And look at the chart pattern, and it is supported by data. It is not that I am simply telling the market will go up, the market will go down. It is not like that. Based on data only, market is going up, not otherwise. And I also showed you smart money, where the smart money people are. This is again smart money, and also we'll show you on the daily chart. Smart money people can be recognized very well on the daily chart. Here there is a little bit of smart money action here, and in this stacked order, you can see the orders, guys. Tomorrow it will be a blast, I think so, because there are no orders on the sell side only, and there are huge orders coming up in the later part of the stage. Look at the cart. Early in the morning it was minus, and now it is plus 9,000. Cart ratio, daily cart ratio, cart, and the cart ratio is 18 is to 0.06. It is less than 1. So you can see how much demand is there. Although there is an exception for everything, this is supported by orders, because we will not know which new player is going to jump in and take a trade, either downside or upside. So everything should be expected, and we should take precautions and execute the trade. Always use the take advice from your SCBI certified advisor, and I am not SCBI certified advisor. I am only a market expert with a lot of experience and an order flow expert. And this is no junk, guys. You can see the market was consolidating for a period of 2 or 3 days, and from 3 days now it gave a breakout, and the breakout was very huge. This is how you trade, not simply sitting and taking a trade and waiting for the trade to come your way, but it will never come when the sellers are strong enough. So we are approaching the last candle, and probably the last candle will close in the green. Another candle to come up, and probably it will close in the green. We are not into any trade currently, and we don't carry any intraday positions. I advise you also not to carry any intraday positions, because if there is an overnight news, if anything happens in the US, the market will react here. So as I told you, the market is trying to go up in the last candle, and one more candle is there, 5 minutes candle. Again the zero zones are developing, so surely there should be a gap up tomorrow. Based on that, please don't hold any positions, and I am not holding any positions. I advise you also not to hold any positions. If you are a positional trader, only hold your positions. If you are an intraday trader, keep it intraday. Don't change your plan just because the market is moving. The market might open flat tomorrow and nothing might happen, and your options premium will be decayed by about 50%. So this is where the market plays a key role. So the last 25, 1525 now, 1530, one more candle is approaching. Another 7 minutes to 5, 6, 7 minutes to go. See, as I told you, there is a dip. This was a what you say, a profit booking, and these are two short. What you say this reloading, and this is also a reloading happening, and that is why the market is reversing. If it crosses this candle, it will cross this candle also, and it will end at the day's high. If the closing happens about 51,950, 850, I mean this 860, uh, it will be closing at day's high today, probably. And anything in the market is not 100%, so it could be approximately 90 or 95% based on order flow. Otherwise, it could be 70% or less. It is pure speculation if you trade without an order flow. See, here the numbers are supporting, and you can simply see why. See here, the market was down because the sellers were more, 3000 and 3000 caught and 2000 caught here. Here the market was going up because the buyer caught was more and the seller's caught was only 1000. In the previous candle also, in the previous day candle also on 29th, the caught was 5300 and later it went to the seller's caught also was around 5000. So there was no big movement and the market closed exactly where it in the center of the candle. And later the next day it started above the closing and it went up quite a bit. And then next day again there was a consolidation and the zero zone. I told you watch this zero zone, guys. Zero zones are very dangerous and they are bound to be broken like this. You can see it is broken. Look at the way here there are only 0 orders. Here there are millions of orders. These are 272 lot, guys, not any small numbers. These are 188 lots, 200 lots, 290 lots, 250, 400 lots, 300 lots. Here you can see 645 lots, and you can see in here 700 lots. So one more 1800 1084 lots. So you can multiply that by the options premium into the lot size and see what is happening at that particular minute. So that is the power of order flow. I insist all of you learn order flow either from me or somebody else, not a problem. But everybody are not teaching like the way I teach. They don't keep it simple. They simply try to complicate things and extract more dough from you guys. They have to keep it simple for the traders to understand, not make them confused. They make them confused so that they be questioning there and they stay with them. I don't mind people leaving me, but they should be successful. See here, this is pure smart money here. So we are expecting the last minute now, or last 4 minutes. Market, if it goes above this point and closes tomorrow, there should be a gap up. However, the market was racing and the last 1 hour was last from 2:15. Movement started and it was awesome and immense. You can see the chart here on the left side. See this particular candle, this candle, and this candle are 3 important candles which can show us why the market reversed. These are the 3 candles which are marked. On the left side of the screen. See here it was 0. All of a sudden the cart became 0. And here also it was 12. And here it was slightly increased and the cart ratio also increased around 10 to 20 times. And here again, it was market was not crossing this line. This line was very crucial. So we were waiting, although there was a indication. See, again, this was a strong indication that there will be a reversal from 0 and 13. This is the kind of candle that will be formed at the time of reversal. The cart on the opposite direction will be there, will be present, and the cart in which the market is against is will be 0. The market is resistant to go down, so it will be 0 and the trend will reverse, and then you see the cart from 14, 300, 300 to 100, 100 to again 94, and after that no stopping. After it crosses this line, I told you this line was drawn a couple of days back, and after it crosses this line, it reaches 1000, 1000 to 3000, 2300, 1000, 1900, 2200, 2800, and 541 is a exhaustion candle. This is a kind of exhaustion there which is happening, and exhaustion, buyers are exhausted, and there some profit booking is taking place, and now there is a bit of consolidation in the last 10-15 minutes in the last three candles. See, again, it has not crossed this point. So this point crossing, this line crossing is very important, and tomorrow we will see whether the market will open up or down, and based on that we will take a trade. But patience is very important for option buyers. Option sellers can execute any trade anytime, but there is high risk in option selling also. They should know how to adjust and manage the trade if there is a violent move like this, like what happened now. So hope you all guys enjoyed the session, and I will soon be back, probably tomorrow, with some live, and some more videos will be posted regarding option buying. So if you have any doubts, you can reply in the comment section in the YouTube video, Prahana Trading Hub and Academy, and you can ask any questions regarding any stocks or indices, and I can answer based on my knowledge. And of course, again, I am repeating, I don't give any sell or buy advice. You have to contact your SCBA certified advisor and make the right decisions. Whether you make loss or profit, it is very important to contact the or keep in take advice from the SCBA certified advisor. Okay, guys, the market is closed now, and it has not crossed this blue line. And we will again meet tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.